one of the things that pandemic has shown us over the past 2 years is that the digital HQ is as important as the physical office. And in fact, actually what we're seeing now is 58% of knowledge workers are working in a hybrid environment. So they're at home some days or they're in the office the next day. And I think we're going to see that continue. And so that really reinforces the need that you no longer go to a place of work, but you actually do work, and that work can be done anywhere. And people want that flexibility to work anytime and anywhere. And I think they've seen that over the past 2 years, and productivity has enabled us to do that as well. So what companies really need is a digital HQ to replicate some of the things that we get in a physical HQ, but in a digital environment, and not just to try and move things over from what you had in the office into a digital environment. And in fact, a survey of Future Forum found that of 10,000 knowledge workers, those that are actually remote or full-time or hybrid have a stronger sense of belonging to a company than those that are in the office, which is really interesting. And that really builds towards that resilience part. Now, the outcomes for agility are really clear. It's faster decision-making, faster to resolve issues, and really faster to have that sense of alignment to make those decisions faster. And one of the things that I think we experienced 2 years ago is real agility in action. Overnight, every company went from an office-based environment to a remote environment. Decisions were made really quickly, and we learned things along the way, and we changed things as we went. So I think the really important thing is that agility, true agility when we're remote, it showed that we can make those decisions at speed. And one of the things that I think we also learned along that way is don't let perfection get in the way of good enough. And if we strive to make things perfect, then we're never really going to experience agility. And one of the things that we'll do is just keep trying to make the solution. So I think don't let perfection be in the way of good enough is really key. Now, the way to achieve agility is really three things. The first one is to empower people. Give people the guide rails and the tools and the technology to be able to make those decisions faster. Have that alignment, make sure that people truly understand what the company's values or what their missions are. And then the last thing is an agile mindset. Having that training to help people understand what agility is and to be able to try and fail. And that's really what agility is make those decisions quickly and try and fail. And one of the things that really helps to do that is a digital HQ, as I mentioned. Sometimes people are at home, sometimes people are in the office, and you really want to be able to make those decisions fast, regardless of where you are. Now, Future Forum, which is an independent survey company, found that companies who invested in technology and not just experience higher levels of productivity, but the other thing that they experience is 2 times higher score on a sense of belonging and 3 times higher overall satisfaction at work. So if you provide the right technology, that's all going to lead towards stronger resilience and the ability to be more agile.